Welcome back to Database Solution. I hope you're doing very well. In this tutorial, we will learn about regular expression underscore substr underscore all, which is regexp underscore substr underscore all in Snowflake. This is a versatile function in Snowflake. So before going to start, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful to you. So now let's dive into how this function works and its syntax and some practical example using Snowflake Web UI. Regular expression substr underscore all return an array of all substring that match a specific regular expression pattern within a string. It's also known by its alias regular expression underscore extract underscore all. You can also use instead of this function. So here is the syntax of this function regular expression underscore substr underscore all. Then we can pass here or specify here column name or string, then pattern, and optionally we can use here starting position, occurrence, number of occurrence, then Regex parameter, and then group number. So let's switch to Snowflake Web UI for demo. So here I am using Snowflake Web UI and this is my free trial Snowflake account. Now let's start with first demo. In this example, we are searching from lowercase letter a followed by digit. So we use here pattern a followed by digit in square bracket. You can write here colon, then digit, then colon. So it search here lowercase letter a followed by digit. So if I execute this statement, you can see here it's extract in result a followed by letter a followed by digit 1, a followed by 2, a followed by 3. Okay, and you can notice here capital letter A or uppercase letter A followed by 5 is not extracted because we do not pass here case insensitive parameter. Okay, so this is simple and effective use of regular expression substr underscore all. Now let's move on to next example. So in this example we are start finding from the position second. So we use here optional parameter which is starting position parameter in second demo. So if I execute this statement and we see here we use same function and this is a passing string or you can pass here column. Then it's if you use here starting position parameter, then it's start searching pattern from letter second. Okay, now let's move on to third demo, and in this demo we use here occurrence parameter. This is starting position parameter, this is starting occurrence parameter. So we use here same pattern a followed by digit and this is a string, and if I execute this statement you can see here it's start searching from letter first means a, then it's extracted internally and then it's extract in result starting position third. So this is third position a followed by 3, a followed by 4 and a followed by 6. Now let's move on to fourth demo. We again use select regular expression substr underscore all and then we use here string as a random string and then pattern a followed by digit starting position starting occurrence, then we again use here third optional parameter Regex parameter. Okay, so in fourth demo if I execute this statement make this pattern case insensitive, then it's also extract uppercase letter 5, you can see in the result. Okay, now let's move on to fifth demo. In this demo perform a case insensitive match and return the part of a string that match a first group, and for this we need to use here Regex parameter e means extract substring. So we again use here select regular expression underscore substr underscore all and then we pass here string for our demo and then a followed by this is optional parameter digit. So if I execute this statement you can see here only extract a. Okay, now let's move on to next demo. Let us suppose if we pass here b pattern and if this pattern is not matched, then what result? You can see here we have a result empty. Okay, now let's move on to last demo. In this example we show the retrieve of each word in a string for first, second and third match of two word pattern in which first word is a. So let's create for demo table and insert some sample data. Here we creating table test regular expression substr underscore all and we only create here a string and varchar and insert some value into this table. Okay, test table. So table let's create table created and one record inserted. Let's see, here is only one string, only one column, and this is the value in this table. Okay, so we again use here regular expression substr underscore all, then pass here column name, this is string 1, and then we pass here capital letter A followed by known word character, means known letter character. Okay, A here is the space, so we use here uppercase W plus. Okay, then optionally if you use here two backward slash 1 for this pattern known word letter or any character digit. Okay, and this is 1 for escaping character and 1 for word letter. Okay, and then starting position, this is number of occurrence, we want to extract substring, then this is group number. Okay, so first occurrence, third occurrence, first, second and third. So if I execute this statement, you can see here man means A followed by word man, plan, canal. Okay, then again plan and canal, this is second occurrence, and this start from third occurrence. Okay, so that's all about in this video. We have learned in this video regular expression substr underscore all. This is a robust tool for extracting all matching string with precision and flexibility, from case insensitive search to capturing group of and handling edge cases. So if you found this video helpful, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial on Snowflake and beyond. See you in next time. Thank you.